Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay? So you need what? Enter. Have you seen it now? It's Microsoft, isn't it? Right? So now you know how to what? Create a file. You know how to create a folder. You know how to copy a file inside a folder. And then you know how to rename a folder. Isn't it? Clap for yourself. I want some of you to go and write this thing down. Some of you will work with a lot of you will see. And the best. And you will work with and then you will be working in Microsoft. You will see. I want to get that now. Okay? Good. I want to move forward. Guys. Okay? So now I'm going to teach you how to delete a file and then how to delete a folder. Okay?
What you change? Why? Do you understand here? But folder, let me tell you what you mean.
So we are going to delete a file and then delete a folder. Okay? Now, if you want to delete a file, select the file. Let's select that new text document. Select the new text document. Okay? Have you selected? Right? Now, what I want you to do is, you will see a key. You see a key on your keyboard. Just count that one. You will see a key on your keyboard. Delete. Have you seen the key delete? Is it here? Is it on your keyboard? Or you have press it. It delete, isn't it? Did it delete? If you deleted your file, and I hear yes? Are we together now? Can we move forward? Are we together now? Can we move forward? Can we move forward, guys? So now let's go and delete a folder. Let's go and delete the what? A folder. Now select the folder. Make sure you select the what? The Microsoft folder. Okay? And then press delete. Press delete the same way.
Delete.
Have you pressed delete? Good. Is it gone?
Yes, gone.
It is gone, right?
No.
So if the Microsoft folder is gone, can I hear yes?
Yes.
Clap for ourselves. Okay, so this is fantastic. Now, I need your full attention now. I need your full attention now, because we are going to be what? Going more technical now. Are we together? We are going to be moving more technical. So I've taught you the basic things. At least I need to what? Understand. Now, then let's take it in level 2. Let's go to level 2. Let's go to level 2. Let's go to level 2 now. We go to level 2 now. Now, since you have created it, okay. I think that makes sense. Now, let's do something. You will create a file. Are you doing? You will put the name of the convention, like this is the FO8I, right? You put it, you type it inside the file. You save the file. file, and then you want to call a folder FOH, and then you copy that file inside the folder. Do you understand? Should I repeat the task again? Right? So I said you will create a file, okay? You create a file, and then inside the file you put FOH, okay? Are we together now? Then after you save the file, you create another folder called FOH, and then you copy the file inside the folder. Huh? Let's FOH. We are on FOH mode now. Okay, FOH high. Good. FOH high. Good. We have create the file now. Quickly create the file. Call it FOH high. FOH high. After you created the file FOH and save it to save it, then you create a folder called FOH again. If you are so if you have created your file and folder, can I see your hands up? My God, see the next set of the vessels and the normal. Wow. Good. So you've created your folder, you've named it FOHI. Have you? You've done it. If you've done that, can I see your hands up? If you need my help, you signify. Okay. Are we together now? If we have completed the task, can I see your hands up? Let me see your hands up. Can I hear yes? Yes. Okay, it's not everybody that can say yes. Yes. Are we together? So if you have created the FOHI, are we together now? Good. So can we move to level 2 now? Can we move to level 2? Yes, delete it. Give you delete it. Yes, what you guys did now. Just delete it. Are we together now? So can we move to level 2 now? level 2 now. Let's move to level 2. Like I said, I want you guys to gain something tangible. Please, I hope if you gain something, can I see your hands up? Can I see your hands up? If you gain something, today, can I see your hands up? Fantastic. 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 We are moving forward, right? Good. So now we are going to be talking about networking. What did I say? We are going to be talking about what? Good. Now you are entering into what we call my domain. This is my field. This is where I sleep and wake up. This is the domain that has put food on my table. This is the domain that has allowed me to grow. Networking. Okay? So what I want is, after today, I want somebody to come and join me today. Come and join me. Come and join me. Good. I want you to look fresh too. Okay, good. Networking. Now, let's move. Networking. What is a network? What is a network? What is a network? Now, I remember I taught a class, and then I asked them that what is a network? And then a woman raised up her hand and said, Mr. Mike, I know. I said, yes, what is a network? She said, network is your Glo, your MTN, your Etisalat, your Airtel. Is she correct? Okay, let's do it like this. If she's correct, can I see your hands up? If she's correct, you believe she's correct. Don't worry, you believe she's correct, raise up your hand. If you believe that network is Glo, MTN, Airtel, Etisalat, you believe she's correct, raise up your hand. Don't be shy. You understand? She was not shy. Raise up your hand. If you believe it is good. Okay, good. So if you believe that she is wrong, raise up your hand. If she is wrong, raise up your hand. Hallelujah. Hello. I don't like politics in the class. If you believe that she is right, raise up your hand. So that means if you did not raise up your hand, it means she is wrong, bro. Don't say I will stay on the line. There's no fence here. No fence at all. Is it that yes or no? No, don't ask. Good. If she is right, raise up your hand. Good. Raise it up with confidence. Good. Put your hand down. If she is wrong, raise up your hand. There's even one of my friends here. If she's right, if she's wrong. Good. Now, let me tell you something. She is both right and wrong. She is both what? Right and what? Wrong. And I will explain how she's right and then how she is what? Wrong. So what is a network? A network is a connection. A network is a connection between two or more computing devices. I'll come again. A network is a connection between two or more computing devices. Now, I use the word devices. I did not use computers. Are you following me? I use the word what? Devices, not what? We are getting somewhere. Two or more what? Devices, not computers, so devices. Now, let's give an example to that. If I am listening to music on my Bluetooth AirPod, are we together now? Do you guys know that I've created a network? You don't know. I've created a network. I've actually created a what? A network. So, can you see that she is wrong in that instance, right? Because network is not only about Airtel and MTN. Does that make sense? Should I recap a little bit? Don't worry, no, let me recap. Our faces, you know, I look at people's faces and then, let's move. I'll say it again. I'm listening to a music from my what? Earpod. That is a network. And what type of network is that? A wireless network. So if I am sending something through Bluetooth, or that your Zenda, AirDrop, which here, all of that is what? Network. So can you see that she is wrong in that instance? Now she is also right, because if I am providing internet services to you, I am also providing a what? Network. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are we together now?
Yes, sir.
So if somebody tells you, a network is only entered and what? Enter, you look at the person and no. You sit the person down and then you what? Explain. And then they'll say, when did you know this one again in computer? From what? Clap for me. From the command. Are we together now?
Yes, sir.
So, network is in everything we are doing. You make a call, it is through what? Network. You receive message, it is through what?
Network.
You are listening to music, it is through what?
Network.
Let me use the Yoruba that our parents like to use a lot. Hello, network here will die. Network here will die. Right? So that's to show you that what? Airtel, MTN, and all that are also type of what? Are we together now? Can we move forward? Are we understanding? If you don't understand, please, can I see your answer? Can I see your answer? Don't be shy. See, let me tell you. Don't be shy. Eh? Somebody said, why am I shy? Now, let's move forward, guys. Let's move forward. There are some conditions that must be fulfilled for you to have a network. Listen to me. There are some conditions that must be what? Fulfilled for you to have what? For you to have what? Don't worry, before we leave here today, we will get the network. Amen. It's not, you will see it. You will see it. You understand? And then I want you that after today, when you are coming to your prayer, you're going to say, this is your summer camp. Are you getting it now? Right? So there are conditions that must be what? Fulfilled for you to have what? A network. The first condition is you must have at least 2 devices. You must have at least what? 2 devices. I cannot network myself. You cannot network yourself. Are we together now? What's that one I do now? Collaboration. Good. So, you need at least what? 2 devices. So that is why for you to what? Listen to music under your airpod, you need the airpod and then your phone. 2 devices. Is it making sense? Is it making sense? You need at least 2 what? Devices. Good. Now, the next condition is that you need a medium. You need a medium of transportation. What did I say? A medium of what? Good. Now, you are looking at me like medium of transportation. Is it bus? Abi is Okada? Abi is even aeroplane? Abi is even ship? Which one is Mr. Mike saying you get like this? Or is it again affair? Are we together? You need a medium of what? Transportation. Now, that medium of transportation is important. Do you know why it's important? Is that medium of transportation that will take the data from device 1 to what? Device 2. And then from device 2 back to what? Device 1. And what are the two medium of transportation? Wired or wireless? Those are the two. Wired or what? Wireless. So if I'm using Bluetooth, it is what? Wireless. If I am using cables. Now, guys, I want you to do something. Look at your system. You will see that there are two cables plugged into your system. One is the charger. You see that other cable is the network cable. Can you see it? Yes, this guy. Don't remove it, just look at it. I will tell you now. That cable is your what? Network cable. Okay? So have you seen it now? So you have what? Network cable. I will tell you now. That's net. So you have two modes of what? Transportation, which is what? Wired and what? Wireless. Good. Wired and wireless. Your hotspot is what? Wireless. Your hotspot is what? Wireless. So have you seen that you are using network to do it? At least if you don't know this, your Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi. I want to get that. Good. That's the second what? Condition. The third condition now, you need what we call network interface card. Write it down. You need a device called what? Network interface card, which is the NIC. Network interface card. Card, yes. Card, yes, card. Like ATM card. Network interface. What? Oh yeah, let's mention the three conditions. Condition number 1. Condition number 2. Condition number 3. A network interface. A network interface card. Now, you see that port where that wire is connected to. You see where they plug the wire, that's your network cable. That port is where the network interface card is. Are you with me? Are you following what I'm saying? You see that port where they plug the wire to? That port is where your network interface card is connected. So if it is for wireless, it is also a component inside the phone. Are you getting it now? It's inside your phone too. Are we together? Good. Do we understand what I'm saying? Any question? No question. Ask question when you don't understand. Ask question. Yes. Are we together now? Now let's talk about the last condition. We need the last condition. The last condition. The last condition is that you must have a device that supports networking. You must have a device that supports what? Networking. At least one device that supports networking. One device, at least out of the devices, at least one will support networking. And I will explain what I mean by that. If I have two devices out together now, connected together, follow me. If I have what? Two devices connected to what? Together. One of them must initiate the connection. So at least one must support what? Networking. Does that make sense? Out together now. So I'm going to open my slide and then you will see a diagram about what I'm talking about. Okay? And then we move from there. Okay? Good? Let's move forward. Am I touching my system guys? Am I touching my system? Physically? Am I touching my system? I'm controlling my system, actually. Network. Are you seeing it now? Network. Good. you see the diagram? Can you see? So you have what? Two devices here. Can you see it? You have what? Two devices here. And then you have a network medium. And then you can see the devices they support what? Networking. Do you understand? Are we together now? So can we move forward? Can we move forward? Yes. Like I said, I don't like too much English. We'll do practical. Right? We'll do practical. You know networking. Amen?
Yeah.
Good. So now, just like in English language, we have how to speak English. Am I correct? You have the adjective, noun, pronoun, adverb,
Conjunction, interjection, proposition,
Exclamation.
Good. Just like that, we also have our own networking language. Okay? We also have what? Networking what? So what I'm saying is, after today, I want us to speak in networking. Are you getting it now? So you look and say, that server is not working. Speak to server. You look and say, thank you. Who does say that one now? Thank you. Or you say, tech bro. Tech bro. Tech bro. Tech sis. Are you getting it now? So after today, I want us to speak in what? Networking language. So we are going to be talking about the networking terms. Are we together now? Good. So the first one is a node. What did I say? Node. 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 N-O-D-E. Node. Node. We're going to talk about what is a node. A node is any device, N-O-D-E. A node is any device connected to a network. A node is any device connected to a what? A network. It's any device connected to a network. N-O-D-E. A node is any device connected to a what? A network. Are you with me? Can you see it? Thank you. Now, a node is any device connected to a what? A network. So if my phone is connected to a Wi-Fi, my phone is a what? Node. These systems are what? Nodes. You are getting it now. So if you want to speak, you say, that node has an issue. Go and check the node. Go and check the node. You understand?
root node.
Who taught you? You said Wi-Fi. I will check that. Good. No. So a node is any device connected to a network. Very simple. Very simple. Now, at least some of us we have heard about this second term, which is server. Server. Let me tell you. Now we are going to open the life of the banks. Do you have any banker here? Anybody working in the bank? There's nobody here. Okay, good. Let's open their life. You know, if something happens, the server is what?
Down.
That's the issue. Server is what?
It's down.
They want to, they go. So what is a server? What is a server? A server responds to requests. A server responds to requests. That's the work of a server. Very simple. A server responds to what? Request. A server responds to request. So let's give a context to what I'm saying. Right? So I want to, we have NIN, right? Isn't it? And then the NIN, they have information of everybody, isn't it? Good. Now, if I want to get the information of, what's your name? Chinwe. I want to get the information of Chinwe. What I will do is, I will send a request to the NIN server and tell the NIN server that I need the information about Chinwe. Give it to me. And then the server will respond to the what? Request. Does that make sense? Is it hard? So, now, listen, should I come again? A server responds to what? Request. It's very simple. So, the server, from the word server, if you go to a restaurant, you have the what? Server. What they do, they serve you. Isn't it? Waiters. Or waiters, thank you. They give you what? What you requested for. Isn't it? You know, you look at the menu, I want like some, you know, 2 portions of jollof rice. So what? One? With one what? Give you back food. I can say. Right? Good. And then the waiter is noting it now. And then he's going to bring whatever you request. Isn't it? So the waiter is like what? A server. So a server responds to what? Request. Do you understand? Yes. Okay? Good. So at the bank, should I tell you something? I don't know, some of us that are at least adults that have a bank app. You know there was one time that GTP was not working at all. Yes. You remember that time? Yes. That GTP was not working at all. And then you are trying to transfer, not transferring. The money is angry. That kind of situation, let me tell you what happened here. They were trying to update something on their server. Down. So server is not down when it is only your own transfer that is not good. The server is working. Sure you understand? So when you go to the bank next time and then you say server is not good. So by the time you do, the customer will say, if the server is not responding, it will affect every. Do you understand now? So you tell them that you need your money and not more than it's not you. Don't call my name. If they say, but it's not Mr. Mike. Are we together? So, do we understand server now? Yes, sir. Right? So let's go to the next one. Client. A client is a device that sends requests. A client is a device that sends what? Request. Now, do you understand the symmetry? A server responds to what? Request. A client sends request. Are we together now? Yes, sir. So let's give a context to what I'm saying. You know, you will open your browser. Are we together now? When you open your browser, you search www.google.com. Right? Yes, from your phone or your browser. Are we together now? Yes, www.google.com. Right? And then you click go. Are we together now? Yes. The moment you click go, you have sent a what? A request. Are you following me? Yes. And then the server will now respond to your request by showing you Google.com. That is it. Can you see your hand? Yeah? Let me talk about our mothers in the house. Because I'm doing a hand when you roll alone. I can remember my mom. Are you getting what I'm saying? You see me? You hear? Now, good. Now, let me tell you something. Now, my people will fight with me now. Sure you get. But mothers, I want you to understand something. Right? See, anytime your children, you tell them to do something on your phone, and then they tell you that the app is not good. The app is not good. Sure you understand? Most of the time, it's not what you think. I tell you for a fact. We understand. Don't worry, but and I'm just giving you, like I said, I'm giving you a change. Most of the time, we know what to do. And then we'll not do it because we know that you don't understand what we are doing. Change it. Michael, come make me to fight out. Change it. Change it now. Okay? So I want you to understand these things again. So that you also have to do. So a client send what? A server respond to what? So even in your front app, anytime you are trying to transfer knowledge, you are sending a request to the server software. Is it making sense? And then it is the server that will respond by sending a command. I want to what you do to you understand? You look at the customer care and then you face the customer care. The server is down. Mr. Mike, what? I'm not here. Are we together now? Can we move forward? Good. Now, the next one is peer. Peer. What is a peer? That is like a group, I mean, a group of something, isn't it? Good. A peer is a device that is both a client and a server. Now repeat it. A peer is a device that is both a client and a what? Server. It can perform the function of both. I will tell you. A peer what? Is a device that is both a what? So let me give an example to what we are doing. If you connect your phones together using Zender, out together, you can send and receive. Yes or no? If I am sending, I am what? The server. If I am receiving, I am the what? Client. See that? Is it making sense now? That's why I don't know. Some of you, if you look at the Zender, so you get connection, and then the rocket will now launch. Do you understand? The rocket will now what? Launch. Okay, so a peer is a device that can serve as both a what? A client and a what? Good. Is it making sense now? Now let's talk about the last one. Post. Let's talk about the last one. Post.
What?
Let's talk about the last one. Post. We are getting somewhere. Post. Good. Please, are we following over there? Post. Post. H-O-S-T. H-O-S-T. Host. Now, what is a host? A host is a node. A host is a node that has an IP address. That has what? An IP address. IP. Now, I said you are getting technical now. That has what? An IP address. I will explain what. Don't worry. Follow me. A host is a device, is a node that has a node that has an IP address. No. N-O-D-E. Node. I'm together now. I will explain what IP is. That has an IP address. So I will explain what IP address. Move forward. Okay? Now, I will explain it. Now listen. Let me tell you. This IP address is what is related to this so I want you to understand. Okay? Because even your ChatGPT or AI is working on the what? A network. Is working on the what? A network. So there are network engineers that are working for the AI to work. Do you understand? I'm sure you guys know, as we go, you know that AI is going to come and take some jobs with you. Yes or no?
Yes.
For me, I'm telling you that networking AI cannot do it because it's even the networking engineer that is what? Behind. So I'm giving you something that is not good to your job. Clap for Mr. Man. Let's move on. So what is an IP address? Now, we can be 1,000 on the same network. Am I correct? Yes. Isn't it? At least 1,000 devices connected to the same network. Am I correct? Now, think of the IP address as their ID. What did I say? ID. Okay? It is through the IP address that is how the devices will know themselves. Does that make sense? So if I want to send from this device to this device, I will send it through the what? IP address. So if this device is going to send to this device, I will send it to this device what? IP address. So IP address, just write it down. IP address is a unique number. IP address is a unique number. IP address is a unique number that identifies a resource. IP address is a unique number that identifies a resource. A resource. A resource. I'm clear now. So let's give an example to what I'm saying. That what is a unique number that identifies a resource? Good. Good. Or a network or a device. Just unique what? Okay. So let's move, right? Good. Now, the IP address is a unique number. You remember, unique number. So that means no two devices can have the same IP address. Understand it, understand it. Follow me, guys. Two devices cannot have the same IP address. Because each IP address is a unique what? Number. So if I want to send from computer A, let's say computer A IP address is 10. I will make that now. And then computer B IP address is what? 11. So if I want to send to computer B, which is 11, I'll send it to IP address what? 11. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, guys? Do we understand? Can I move forward? So anytime a host, that is what we look call a host is any device on the network that has what? IP address. See that? If you understand, can I hear you? Yes.
Yes.
Now we are going to be talking about network devices. And then after we talk about network devices, we come and have what? We are going to do some connection. And then I want to see our mothers will go and face their children and say, "Hey, you don't want more networking." So go, they say, bye. I will together now. So let's talk about network devices. Network devices. Network devices. So network devices are devices that will enable networking. They are devices that enable what? Networking. Okay? Network devices are devices that support networking or that enables networking. Just put it in that context. Okay? That enables what? Networking. So guys, we'll be having a short break okay? So that we'll refresh ourselves. And then we'll come back for practical. Are we together now? Good. So now, the first network device is what we call a hub. Hub. H-U-B. Hub. H-U-B. Hub. The network device, we must know that we have the hub. H-U-B. Hub. B for God. B for what? I can see that our very yes, okay, a device that connects devices together. I'll repeat it again. A hub is a device that connects devices together. A hub is a device that connects what? Devices together. So, if I want to connect more than 2, 3, 4, 5 devices together, I'll use what?
A hub.
I'll use the what?
A hub.
So, I want you to speak in networking terms. Are we together? Can we check the hub? Okay. Now the next one is a brief. What did I say? Brief. So next time, if you remember brief, you will know. Okay? Good. So what's a brief? A brief is a device that connects two networks together. That connects how many networks together? So can you see? Now listen to a hub connects devices together. A bridge connects networks together. Are we together now? So let's give an example. So let's imagine we have, this is ICT room 1. We have, actually come again. That is a bridge is a device that connects networks together. So, a bridge is a device that connects two networks, just two networks together. Are we together now? Yes. Two networks together, okay? Connects two networks together. Now, this is ICT room 1, at least with nothing less than 100 systems. Are we together? Then we have another ICT room 2 with another set of 100 systems. If we want to connect the two rooms together, we are going to use a what? Bridge. Do you understand now? Does that make sense? Good. So now let's talk about the third one. Let's talk about the third device. Switch. A switch is the third device. A switch is the third device. Switch. Switch. What is a switch? A switch is an intelligent hub. A switch is what? An intelligent hub. A switch is an intelligent hub. So that means a switch connects devices together. Now, why is it intelligent? Now, listen to me. Listen to me and understand. Why is the switch intelligent? Is that a switch does not gossip. A hub will gossip. That's the difference. Let me say it again. A switch does not what? Gossip. The hub will what? Gossip. So what I mean is, if I am using a hub and then I want to send it to you, everybody will know what I'm sending to you. That is the hub. Do you understand? Should I repeat myself? If I am using hub now and then I want to send to you, okay, I want to send to you, everybody on the network will know what I am sending to you. So the hub will share it everybody. Oh, Mr. I want to share something. I want to share money. Come and see. That is hub. But if it is a switch, I can send to only you and then nobody will what? No. Does that make sense? So I'm using why this is intelligent. Good. Now, the next one is the router. That is the last one. The next one is the what? The router. The last one. Router. R-O-U-T-E-R. R-O-U-T-E-R. I'm sure some of us know this one. A router is a device that connects networks together, not only two now. A router is a device that connects what? Networks together. A router is a device that connects what? Networks together. Connects networks together. So, it has beat the disadvantage of a bridge. You know, bridge is only what? Two. But A router can connect as many networks as possible. Are we together now? Now, I want you guys to look straight. Just look. Can you look to my right? Can you see? You see one device that is turning light? That device is what we call a switch. That is a switch there. And then, can you see the switch? That's a switch. That device that is turning light. Can you see that? Let me explain that. It's a what? A switch. Then you see that little device at the top that is on another set of lights. That's the router. Do you understand now? So, if you understand, can I hear the sound? Yes! Let's clap ourselves. So, we'll be going for the break. We'll be going for the break now. Right? And then we'll come back.
No space.
1 hour 40 minutes. 1 hour 40 minutes.
Okay, so 15 minutes break, right? 15 minutes break. Okay, let's use it to refresh ourselves and then we come back to class. Thank you very much, guys.
You are coming back by